Millets are very tasty and healthy, and it is easily available in German supermarkets. They are commonly known as Hirse. Today we are going to learn how to make khichadi from Hirse, or commonly known in India Bajra ki khichadi. For making this, we need oil and some bush bonin or French beans, which are chopped up nicely. Then we obviously need his that you have to soak for 1 hour. You need some ginger and chopped onion and some tomato. Indian food without spices is nothing. So what I did was I heated some oil and added some cumin and mustard seeds and some turmeric. And as everything was crackling and cooking, I added some onion and ginger to it. Now let me tell you, when you are making khichdi, khichdi is basically a combination of rice or grain and dal. So I am going to add cooked dal into it. If you already don't have cooked dal, you can cook it separately and add it. Now I added some French beans or bush bone into it, and then I added the hirse that I soaked for an hour, and then I also added the cooked dal to it. I added salt, and you should add at least double amount of water in for making khichdi. You can now cook for 10 minutes and then open the pressure cooker and see if it is properly cooked. You see here, I changed the container because sometimes it happens that when water is not sufficient, the khichdi starts burning at the bottom of the pan. So that's why I transferred this khichdi to another vessel, and then I added more water. And if you want to make your khichdi in pressure cooker itself, then you should keep hot water ready and check if it is sticking at the bottom, then you must add more water to it. Now our khichdi is completely ready. You can garnish it with the coriander leaves. You can even add chili if you want to add, and you should serve it with a dollop of ghee, and it's very comforting, it's very tasty, and it's very healthy. In almost all the supermarkets you get his from the company Seaburger, which is a famous company for that produces nuts and seeds of different variety, and you can buy it and use it, and it's also very economical.